Happy Sunday!
Today I don't have school, guys.
So we will go to the park.
Hey, I win.
We're gonna go to the park and Nanay will try to run.
What? Oh, I'm gonna go on the bike.
And Micah will bike.
Bike, I gotta watch this.
Tatay will watch Micah.
Ah, that is crazy. Because you know why?
Bakit?
So you were what? So that guy was
Gastos.
watching me. And then it's your turn, yes. And then that is turn today. I'm Pikachu, guys.
Parang ang busy. Pagas muna kami.
Ah,
May pulis.
Say hi to the policeman.
I have my window open.
Thank you, Jason. I love this gift.
Ito, anak.
Your gift to your Kuya Mike. I love this.
Ako gumagamit. So, dito kami. Ibang park. May skating park, oh.
Oh,
Pwede
there's
ka
a skate
mag-skate.
park, Michael.
It's a skateboard park. Not
You can
a...
also bring that. You can also use that.
Pwede ba?
Yeah, as long as it's skate.
So, dito kami this week. Oh, we're here. Let's go down.
This way, anak.
So, tatry tayo magpaka-healthy. Kaya, ayan. Tatakbo ako. So, every weekend, long run. At least 3 miles. Hindi man long run, pwede rin maglakad. Nilak mo ba?
Maganda rin itong lugar. May tao din. Go that way.
Nakapunta na tayo dito?
Yeah. Kaso diba, it's too windy that time.
Oo. Parang di natin na-enjoy.
Medyo na-enjoy natin. Kaso masyado.
Ha? Yung mga naglalaro. Baseball ba sila? Baseball naman dito, no? Kasi yeah, sa amin malapit soccer, saka parang football eh. Dito baseball.
Bye! Oh, try the slide. Try that. Huh?
I'm waiting for this baby girl.
Oh, not that one. Try this. Wow, it's still rolling.
Lakad-lakad lang.
Tapos ka na?
Hindi pa.
Oh. Hala ko, tapos ka na. Ang gabi.
Medyo nanginig ako, guys. Ano yan, anak? Okay, thank you. Nanginig ako. Naka 2 miles lang ako. Micah. Tao po. Tara na?
Hanggang alas 4 lang
We're done.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, did you have fun?
Wait.
So much fun?
I feel we're going.
You like going to the park, huh?
I wish we can stay more. I didn't want to spin it. I've been waiting for the spin it on the swing. But I didn't have time. Look!
You don't have time. So, okay dito, mga baseball, busy. Kapag may mga games.
But I'm this way.
That's Nanay and Micah's shadow. Naka 2.5 miles lang.
Well, that's good enough.
Yeah, it's good. 1% better.
Good start.
Pero nanginginig pa rin ako. Nanginig ako.
Ano ka?
Kumain na ako ng
Why?
dalawang.
You open it right now?
I opened it right now.
Kala
Because
ko
I'm so hot.
you left it open.
I'm so hot.
Wow, why
I
not that?
am hot too.
Ang init, no?
Too hot.
We're so hot.
The first time it wasn't hot, but now it's hot. I'm not down.
Thank you, Lord. Please help us, guide us, in your most precious name.
So, after 2 miles, para akong nanginig. Para akong nanginig. So, tumigil ako maglakad.
Where are we going after?
We're gonna recycle the bottles of
I
tatay.
mean after, where are we going? After recycle? Oh, I know, no, I know.
Ano, saan?
To get Sebastian's toy.
Oh, we can actually take a bath. Okay, well let's do everything before we head back home.
So, yun. Pero thank you, Lord. Nakapaglakad. Ayan. And, ayun lang, guys. Thank you, Lord. See you later. Ano?
Make another video after nighttime so I can be connected. Okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Until nighttime. Bye.
And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.